everyone, welcome back to another WordPress snippet video. Today I'm going to show you how to register a sidebar in your theme. For those of you who don't already know what sidebars are, in WordPress they are containers that hold widgets. Widgets are pieces of code that pull in custom content. So sidebars actually function as content areas in your template. The great part about these sidebars is that they're really flexible and you can place them anywhere and come up with some really cool layouts. Some themes have 1 or 2 already installed. Some of them have 7 or 8. Just depends on what the developer wanted to do with it. But I'm going to show you how to add these yourself in case you wanted to take your theme a step further. So I've got the snippet ready to go on my website to register a new sidebar, and we're only going to use this little part of the snippet. I'd like to point out that we have certain parameters that we can define here. One is the name of the sidebar, which is required. We obviously want to have that name defined. We can also set an ID for it. A couple other things that we can do is have some custom HTML wrap around each widget inside the sidebar, as well as have custom HTML around each widget within that sidebar as well. So all we're going to do is just take this snippet and paste it in our functions.php file, which basically sets up our theme and tells our theme what to do and sets certain settings and whatnot. And that functions.php file is located in the base of your WordPress theme. So once we open up the functions file, we're going to look for our if function exists register sidebar. If that doesn't exist, you might want to actually paste this entire function right here. But for right now, we're going to take the snippet because we already have that inside of our theme. And so I have right now already defined 5 sidebars. We're going to add a 6th, and I'm going to place it right here. And I'm going to give it a different name besides main sidebar. Let's go ahead and name it maybe like sidebar 2. Might be cool. And then the ID, to me, I always, for consistency's sake, like to mirror it, so we're going to call it sidebar 2 as well. And then I'm going to save this. So now, in theory, what we should see is a new sidebar pop up in our the back end of WordPress so that we can start adding widgets to it. Right now, I only have 5 set up, but as soon as I refresh, we should be able to see our sidebar 2 pop in. There it is right there. And then it's ready to add widgets, so we can go ahead and put our widgets in and then call that into our template, and you will have your sidebar 2 on your site. If you're not familiar with how to pull those sidebars into your template, you can always check out video number 1 for more details. Thanks again for watching. Leave your comments below, and I will see you on the next video.